My mom heard about VGC online. She was doing some research and they came up on the site, and she contacted Hussein, who actually contacted her back that evening, which really impressed her.
I found the value when I work with Vancouver General Contractors very helpful because I'm taking a very active role.
The experience in the design was just absolutely amazing. It was so amazing that we asked them also to do our bathroom after. I didn't know a shower could be so pleasant.
My favorite part of the design process, I think, again, was sitting at the office and going through design of the house and being able to change that immediately on the CAD, the computer-assisted drafting.
My favorite room is the kitchen. With the limited amount of space and how much storage I wanted to get into the kitchen, they did an amazing job. Fully utilizes all the spaces. It gave me tons of storage.
With the final results, I would say we're extremely satisfied. We know that our place now is something that we can really be proud of.
There was a lot of value to VGC's turnkey process. Really liked the way they took care of everything with dealing with the city to the permits.
I am going to recommend Vancouver General Contractor.
I would refer friends and family over to VGC.
If my families or friends would be interested, obviously I would highly recommend them talking to VGC for their renovation projects.
I would definitely recommend VGC. Great team to work with. They listen to you. They're on time.
They took care of everything right from the beginning to the end. Highly recommend them.